Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. এবার wish to could make your AI twin speak for you. Say hello to voice cloning with Play.ht. In just a few minutes, I will show you exactly how to clone your voice, create stunning narrations, and sound like a pro without even opening a mic again. If you are a content creator, podcaster, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. So, what is voice cloning? Voice cloning uses AI to replicate your natural speech, tone, and patching, turning just a few recordings into a digital voice that sounds just like you. And no, this isn't sci-fi anymore. With tools like Play.ht, it's real, fast, and super beginner friendly. First of all, head over to Play.ht and create a free account with your email. Click try for free. You can use your email or Google account for sign up. Just click sign up with Google for faster access. Then select your account from this page. Then click continue. Now you will see a clean dashboard where the magic begins. Once signed in, click on the menu and go to voice cloning section. From your dashboard, click voice cloning, then click instant. You can upload your sample or record from here. Check the box and I will use record your voice. So click on record your voice section, then allow while visiting the site for microphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Facebook account in just a minute. First of all, open your Play Store and download the Facebook app, or open a web browser in your PC and search for facebook.com and click the first link and follow the process. That's it. Then click finish. Now select your gender like male or female, then click create. Enter your voice name like your name, then click create clone. Play.ht requires a sample between 30 seconds to 3 minutes, but quality matters. No background noise, record in a quiet room, or use your mic with a pop filter. You can read a script or even use Play.ht's sample script. Once done, export your recording in WAV or MP3 format. Now go back to Play.ht, upload your file, give your voice clone a name, and hit submit. It usually takes a few hours to it usually takes a few hours for Play.ht to process and generate your clone. Once it's ready, boom, your digital twin is born. So go to voice library, then click your voices section, and here it is. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Click use voice. Now comes the fun part. Write your script in the editor. Choose your AI voice that uh, like that and wait a minute. Go to ChatGPT for a script. Log into your ChatGPT account or right here. Write type write a script. Now you will see the script and copy the script from here. I'll select the first line for this tutorial, then click generate speech. Now see, it sounds like it sounds just like me, but digital, and it doesn't get tired ever. Heather, in just 1 minute, I'll show you how to make a perfect cup of tea. That's good, bro. Use your cloned voice to automate YouTube videos, narrate articles, create tutorials, or even make custom voice mail greetings. It saves time, keeps your voice consistent, and sounds super clean. So that's how you clone your voice in minutes using Play.ht. If this blew your mind, hit that like button. Want more AI powered tips? Subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to clone next. Your voice, your face, your brain. Maybe not yet. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.